Hi, I'm Tony, and for the last 5 years, I've been helping Jeepers just like you understand why their Jeep leaks and how they can fix it at home. Now, perhaps you've gone to the dealer any number of times and they've replaced things like your door side gaskets, maybe your header gasket here, B-pillar mucket, etc., and you still have a leaking Jeep. Well, the parts that they replace obviously have not solved the problem because that is not the underlying issue. That is not the foundational issue as to why they leak. Now, there's two reasons ultimately why they leak, and I'm going to start with the first one, and that's its modularity. And what I mean by that is these vehicles come apart, and that's why we buy them, right? To take the freedom panels off, or if you have a soft top, to sling that back on a nice warm day and have that open air experience. Or perhaps you want to take the doors off and kind of have it exposed like this and drive around with no doors, and that's fun, and that's why we buy it. So the modularity of the vehicle kind of make a lot of weak links when you go to put them back. Things don't quite get aligned properly, and that misalignment slowly turns into gaps, and those gaps slowly lead to leaking in from this corner perhaps, or maybe you see it dripping in from here because the top's not quite aligned, etc. Okay, so the modularity of the vehicle is kind of the main culprit as to why they leak, but that's again why we buy it. Now, the real elephant in the room, the real reason they leak, and people don't realize this, not even the dealer, and that's why they haven't been able to fix your Jeep, is because Jeep Wranglers and Gladiators, any year, are the only vehicle on the road today that do not have a weather stripping that goes continuously around the body. Let me explain. If you look at your door side, okay, we do have this rubber seal, right, that goes all the way around the perimeter of the door. Right? Goes all the way around the perimeter of the door. Now, when your door slams, it's slamming onto a bare piece of metal here on the body side, right? Go check yours. It's just bare metal with the exception of a little rubber here, a little piece of rubber here, and then a small little piece of rubber there. Those are the only three pieces of rubber that your door side seal is kind of gripping and grabbing against. Well, that's not good enough. And no other vehicle on the road today has three small pieces of rubber to seal water out permanently. They have a continuous piece of rubber that goes all the way around the door side. Now, like I said, if you check your vehicle right now, you will notice that you will only have 1, 2, and 3 pieces of rubber. And that is why ultimately your vehicle leaks and no other vehicle on the road today leaks, because they have a continuous piece of rubber. So now that we understand the two culprits, the modularity and the lack of a proper weather stripping on the body side, we can understand now what the fix will be and how I fixed these personally for hundreds of people myself, and then helped hundreds of people around the world solve it for themselves. And that is to add a body side seal. Now, I'm going to show you what I have going on here so you understand. This is the body side seal that I've installed on this Jeep Wrangler, and I'm going to remove it right now. You see it? It's this weather stripping here that I've produced here in the United States to specifically go on Jeep Wranglers, JK, JL, and Gladiators. It's got a double-sided adhesive on the back of it, so this way it makes it easy for you to install. Now, once you install this weather stripping around the body side of your vehicle, okay, you'll have a vehicle that does not leak. It's as simple as that. Adding a body side seal to this vehicle will help it not to leak. It'll eliminate the leaking actually altogether. So with that being said, guys, if you look down here on this site, I've provided the exact material and the kits that I use on my customers, JKs, JLs, and Gladiators, and that you can also use for your Jeep. Once you install this product, it'd be very simple. You just follow along with the instructional video that I provide and hosted by me, Tony. You follow step by step and you stick this where I stick it, and guys, your problem will be eliminated altogether. I guarantee that. So with that being said, if this is something that you're interested or you have questions on, please feel free to contact me. Or if you have a particular situation and want a personal diagnosis, go all the way to the bottom of this page and you'll see that it says expert diagnosis, and you can tell me everything about your vehicle and I can respond to you because I've found that no two Jeeps ultimately have the same personality, and that's because of the modularity, the way these things come apart. But ultimately, the fix is putting that body side seal on the vehicle so that this way now, when you slam the door, it no longer slams on what we have right now, just bare metal. and it slams on the factory specific body side seal that I've created here in the United States. So if that makes sense, guys, I hope that answers your question as to like, why is my Jeep leaking? Why can't the dealer fix it? Well, that's because they do not have a body side seal. And for the life of me, I don't understand why that idea hasn't gone off in Chrysler Jeep's head. That light bulb just refused to go off, because every other vehicle that they do produce, like their Wrangler, their Cherokee, I'm sorry, not their Wrangler, their Cherokee, their Renegade, their Wagoneer, etc., does have a body side seal, and they stay nice and dry. But for whatever reason or reasons, they refuse to put it on a Wrangler. So if that's something that you're interested in, guys, just give me a call if you have any questions, or just go ahead and order your kit down below, and that will solve your problem altogether. Hope that helps.